you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. It's a good day today. We've got the brand new version 2 MJX10208 and it's huge. It's actually very heavy as well. I've actually done 3 videos on this car already over on the John Robinson RC Essentials. I'll link below for the 3 videos. It is the unboxing, then is the ESC Bluetooth setup. Yes, you can now connect your phone directly to the ESC and do loads of adjustments. And then there is the most important one, which is what parts on this car have they changed from the previous versions to the new version 2. As you can tell, I have not driven it. I've wanted to, but I wanted to get those videos done first. I'm hoping it's going to be as good as what I predict it should be. Some of the, just quickly, just touching on it, the actual chassis has been changed, which has stiffened that up a lot. We're not sure about the lower swing arms. We will see that together. So let's get on. So for those of you that do not know, it has a quick release system. Rather than those 4 posts and the stupid pins that you lose and everything, you slide the front on first, you put the back down, and it locks into place with one lock. That's it. Absolutely brilliant. So, never been driven before, ladies and gents. Let's see what it's like. Oh yeah! Woo! Okay, I love it. It's very, very easy to control. For those that you don't know, this is an area that we use very often, and invariably the cars are bouncing around and flip over constantly. Obviously this is such a larger car and so heavy that it's not having any of it. Absolutely love it. So ladies and gents, Colin now has the controls. You can't see, for some reason he's hiding them, and he's going to give it a quick test. If anybody can roll it, ladies and gentlemen, it will be Colin. What did I say? I've not managed to do that at all, Colin. What do you think of the handling, Colin?
Handles better than some of the other cars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you sort of feel the weight to it?
Yeah. Makes it easier to control.
Much easier. It's definitely one of the easiest ones that we've had to control. It has no gyro on it, I don't think. Stop sec. He says, picks it up and it... No, just checking. No gyro. So this is all itself. Absolutely love it. What do you think, Colin?
It's very good.
Like it? Love it? Hate it?
I like it.
Ooh, got Colin's seal of approval, ladies and gents. So we're just going to do a quick distance check because there were concerns that it wasn't getting enough distance. So I'm going to go up there, leave the car here. I'll keep on doing that. If Colin, you can follow me and then let me know when it stops doing that. See you in a minute. Moving that so that we don't hit it. Is it still going?
Yeah. Stop. No.
Still going?
Yeah.
Still going?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think there's any problems with distance with this new controller. It's actually quite intimidating when it's coming at you at full speed. Oh, I like this one, Colin. I like this one a lot. It's got some weight to it, so as it's traveling over all the bumps and whatnot, it's settling very quickly, which is, at the end of the day, what we all want. If it's bumping around, that's just no good. There's no weird sounds coming from it, because some people have mentioned about the fact that the CVD joint, the dog bone, was catching actually on the differential cup, and there's none of that here at all. Absolutely brilliant. Did you see how he was aiming for me? So ladies and gents, if you're wondering why we keep on doing these little jumps, it's because I promised that I would stress test this to see if there's any weak points. I fear though that this could break it, but let's have a go anyway. Oh, I expected that to go much higher.
And didn't have enough speed.
Well, we need more speed then. Give it more speed, please. Whoops. Oh! Did that break absolutely anything? I would be surprised if it didn't. Okay. How did that not break? Did you see what it hit? That is unbelievable. Love it. Let's get on.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
So ladies and gents, it's not the perfect area for a speed run, but we thought we'd get a rough idea of what the top speed is with a 3S battery, assuming we can keep it in a straight line. So we have Colin's phone here, so we go to read, and as you can see, it's all set. It is currently at 0 because we've just installed the app. So we will go to track and start. Bam. Let's go. Let's have some fun, ladies and gentlemen. Wasn't me.
Sure it was.
Okay, that was me. Not my fault. Did you see that the shell's fallen off? So, do I class that as a failure? No, because I've lost pins before. So I'm assuming that this is flexing. But how can it flex? Oh, I suppose it can. But that was quite a big hit, wasn't it? Let's be honest. Let's keep on going. After all those ESC settings, I think I'll turn the brake down a little bit. Sounds so cool! Oh! Okie dokie. Let's see what speed we got. Brum, 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 brum. I'm assuming that the GPS is still attached somewhere. Let me just do that. Sorry, Colin has to put in his code, ladies and gents. Cool. Right, so, can you see that?
Yep.
Now stop. And read. We have average speed. Oh, there we go. I was looking at that for some reason. 46 kph on 3S. That's pretty slow, isn't it? Beck, read. 29 miles an hour. It feels like it's going faster to me, but I mean, it's still an impressive speed for such a big thing. I wonder what we can get on 4S. Obviously, ladies and gents, this isn't the most suitable area for a speed run of a car. Colin trying to screenshot as I'm walking away, forgetting that he's also recording.
Well, I'm trying to tell you to do it again because you didn't do it.
Okay, let's get on. Just a quick point, ladies and gents. I just remembered that this is now at the end of our testing, really, and the battery's going to be at its lowest, so I wouldn't be surprised if we don't get faster than what we just did. But I'm not driving up the hill. I'll try and go along here. I have just turned the GPS back on. That feels so fast. Is it the size that's putting me off? Nice. Okay, Colin, I'll take that, please. And you can show us your phone. We have... read. 50, so right, we did get more. That's good, love that. Please screenshot it and let's get on. So ladies and gents, what do you think about that footage? Look at the mess. We bashed it, we crashed it, we rolled it, and there is nothing wrong with it. Nothing has broken, nothing has bent. Even after both Colin and myself managed to hit big rocks. Whoops-a-daisy. Let me just show you inside. Absolutely gorgeous. Nothing wrong with it at all. Now, I do have two videos coming up with this specific car. We've got the 4S battery that MJX sent to me to do a speed run. So we'll actually go up to the speed run area for that. So that's one video. And the other one is going to be... oh yeah, skate park. Let's see what this thing can really do, shall we? So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you are alerted of the future videos. So can I recommend this car to you? 150%. Without a shadow of a doubt. It's heavy, it's durable, and it's $283 US, ladies and gents. That is a steal for a car the size of this. So, links are in the description below if you want to pick up one of these. Hit subscribe. Colin's looking at me, I'm looking at him. Hit the like button. Take care of yourselves, stay safe. Bye-bye.